This is how you make my California prune and balsamic onion dip. Slice your onions as finely as you possibly can before adding to a pan with a splash of oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Cook them until golden and caramelized on a medium heat. Then add your California prunes and a really good splash of balsamic vinegar. Bring it up to the boil and reduce it. Then add lots of fresh thyme. This will give fragrance and lots of flavor. Once it's removed from the heat, place it into a food processor and blend until smooth. Take some lovely crisp bread. I've got olive bread. Take your dip, spoon it onto a plate, drizzle it with some extra virgin olive oil and serve it up for an amazing, simple and delicious dip.